Hello, my name is Dana Stetson. I'm your business broker. If you're thinking about selling your business, choosing the right business broker is one of the most important decisions you'll make. A good broker can help you maximize value, protect confidentiality, and get the deal closed. A bad one can waste your time and cost you money. Here are the following points to consider when selecting your broker. Is a broker a full-time broker professional? Is business brokerage a full-time profession, or are they part-time like a real estate agent? Are they a part of a larger organization, such as First Choice Business Broker, with hundreds of locations? A broker that is local to your business is important. They will meet you in person and attend buyer meetings with you. Look for experience in your type of business. Don't just ask if they sell businesses, ask if they sold businesses like yours. For example, restaurants, service companies, healthcare, trades, and manufacturing businesses. They all sell differently. Make sure they can explain valuation. A strong broker should clearly explain how they value your business using SDE, EBITDA, add backs, market multiples, and buyer demand. If they can't explain the math, that is a red flag. Watch out for inflated promises. Some brokers buy the listing by telling owners an unrealistic price just to get the engagement. A good broker gives you a realistic range and tells you what the market actually is and likely to support. Ask how they protect confidentiality. Confidentiality is critical. You do not want employees, customers, or competitors finding out too early. Ask about blind listings, NDAs, and what gets shared only after a buyer is qualified. Ask how they screen buyers. Not every inquiry is a real buyer. Your broker should pre-qualify buyers for financial capacity, seriousness, and fit before sharing sensitive information or setting up meetings. Review their marketing strategy. Ask where and how they market the business. Broker marketplaces are one part of it, but strong brokers also use direct outreach, strategic buyer targeting, and their own network to create better buyer interest. Review the agent's broker's website, Google reviews, and social media posts to see if they stand out from the crowd and are real professionals. Clarify who actually will handle your deal. In some firms, the person who signed you up is not the person doing the work. Ask who will manage the buyer calls, follow-up negotiations, and the day-to-day process. Set communications up front. You should not be guessing what's happening. Ask for a communication cadence. Weekly updates are ideal, so you know buyer activity, feedback, and next steps. Choose someone who understands the deal structure. Deals often fall apart over terms, not price. A good broker should understand seller financing, SBA lending, transition support, earnouts, asset versus stock sale structures. Finally, choose a broker you feel comfortable working with. The relationship can last 12 months or more, so choose someone you trust and has taken the time to understand you and your situation. Again, my name is Dana Stetson, and I'm your business broker.